Welcome, this is Gauri Gopnath for NE24, Human Science Forum, a non-governmental organization based in the Barak Valley, dedicated to promoting organ and posthumous body donation, organized a special pledge event on Saturday, 17th May 2025 at 5 p.m. The event was held at Hena Rasoi Bhavan located beside Banga Bhavan in Silchar. During this event, Bhakti Sen, a resident of Gunamai Road in Tharapur, Silchar, and Krishna Kumar Singh, a resident of Arkatipur Maidan Bill under Udarban Police Station, voluntarily signed pledge forms for posthumous body donation. Their compassionate decision will serve as a valuable contribution to future medical education and research. Representing the Human Science Forum at the event were Vivek Acharya, Surajit Som, Hanif Barbuia, Samir Bose, Sipra Chakravarti, Mridula Sen, and Subhash Chakravarti. The event was hosted and organized with the support of Vijaya Karsame, proprietor of Hena Rasoi, and a dedicated social worker whose assistance ensured and successful execution of the program. She honored the two pledgers and the Human Science Forum members with gifts. On behalf of the Human Science Forum, heartfelt thanks and gratitude were extended to Vijaya Karsame for her support of this novel initiative. The organization announced that they will continue to conduct such programs regularly in the future to raise awareness about organ and body donation in society. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by following our page.
Inspiration পাইয়া মানে সবকিছুরই তো একটা ইয়ে লাগে না পথ লাগে কিন্তু সবকিছু চট করে জানা যায় না কোনখানে কি না ওই কইরা আমি আজকে এই দেহদান করতে আসলাম ছেলেরও কইলাম যে দেখো ছেলেটাকে শিবসাগর ওএলজিসি ইন্টেনসিভ করতেছে আর আমার মিস্টার একটা অ্যাকাউন্টে আছে অ্যাকাউন্টেন্সে কাজ করে ইনকাম ট্যাক্স এগুলি তো ওর লোকে আলাপ করলাম আজকে কিন্তু আমি যাইতেছি